Welcome all. Welcome to this AimExcellence presentation. And here this particular presentation is regarding the changes and the new question pattern that have been given in the new AIIMS examination prospectus. So they are actually settled to have 7 question patterns. The first one that we all are aware of, there is a single best response that all we used to do. For the correct one, you will get +1. For the wrong one, you will get -1/3. That was the usual question pattern that used to be given earlier also. The multiple true-false pattern, there will be a question. It will have the options like A, B, C, D, E. Few of them are going to be true, few of them are going to be false, and you have to mark them as true or false, means precisely you have to mark them. If you mark them rightly for each and every options, you are going to get marks +1/5, and if you mark it wrong, you will get -1/5 for each and every one of options. Match the following. This is another set of questions. Like there will be a question, there will be column A and column B. Now column A, from the pattern that have been given in the prospectus, there will be 4 options, and column B, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 options, maybe more, and you have to actually mark the right options. If you mark it rightly, again you are going to get +1/4 for each and every options. If you mark it wrongly, it is going to be -1/4, and if you keep it for review or not answer the options individually, you will get 0. Now the sequential arrangement, like say primitive reflex. Primitive reflex, the question will have that. So according to the appearance or according to the disappearance, you have to sequentially arrange them in the ascending or descending pattern. If you mark it right, for the whole answer you are going to get +1. It is not each and every option. If you mark it wrongly, you will get -1. Now the multiple completion. Again there will be 4 options, but here the associated option that will be given to you, whether A is only correct, B or C are correct, or A, B, C are going to be correct, or all of them are wrong. So if you mark the options correctly, again you are going to get marks for each and every options, +1/4 or -1/4. Reason assertion type questions, it actually taken from the UPSC examination. If you have given the UPSC examinations, you have probably have seen it. And the reason assertion type question generally will have 5 options. First you have to ascertain whether those 5 options are correct or incorrect. And then after you have to ascertain, even if it is correct, whether there is a positive association in between them. So this is going to be a very trickier one. And the last one, this is the most difficult one from the prospectus that we have seen, like say a condition or symptom that have been given to you like fever, and they will give you bacterial disease, they will give you disease like viral disease or even leukemia, and then after two case scenario, it is actually USMLE pattern, 2 or 3 multiple case scenario. It can vary, it can be 3 or 4 also. If you find it correct, then you are going to get +1/2. If the 2 options are there, then you are going to be get +1/2. If there are more options are there, it can be +1/3. If the 3 options, each and every options individually are going to be marked out here also. And if you are not marking it, you are going to get 0. One thing you have to importantly see, for each and every option, for the last 6, if you are marking it correct, then you are getting 100%. Also, if you are marking it wrong, you are going to get -100%. So that is one thing you have to be very cautious. And in single based response type, it have the usual marking pattern. So this is going to be actually trying to limit the Tukka factor, and this is going to be tough examination. This sort of examination have not ever been happen in India yet, and this is a integrated USMLE, UPSC, PGI, and obviously AIIMS pattern examination. In AIIMS there will be critical questions, there will be journal based MCQ, there will be pictorial MCQ, there will be video based questions. And if you think this video anyway helped you, please write to us in our Facebook pages message boxes. We are actually got this information today, and we have there is some concern that have been raised to us, and that is why we have created this video. We are busy with some other project at this point of time, but if you have any queries, you feel free to write to us. We will get back to you within 72 hours. Thank you for supporting us all these days. We really value your support. Thank you.